Okay, you're good to go.
Okay, thank you. So I have just 5-10 minutes, right? Okay, so I'm going just to present the intuitive robots at the beginning, and then right after, we are going to see a demonstration of our latest applications. This is Napoleon. He's quite shy, so he's looking at the board actually because we are going to use a board, and basically Napoleon is we are going to do some mathematics with Napoleon. Just a few words about Intuitive Robots. It's a company actually that started 3 years ago. Not really, but in my mind. And when I joined the developer program, I always wanted to do some business with NAO and with what Aldebaran is providing. So I created this company beginning of this year, and our goal is to to conceive application for humanoid robots. And who are the best in the world? Aldebaran, so far. There is no question about it. They are the best. They have NAO, they have Paper, they have Romeo. I mean, I'm not going, although my t-shirt is not intuitive. Anyway, so we are building applications for NAO, and we want to sell them for many kind of purpose, for education, primary school, for disability, for disabled person, for any kind of purpose. And we think that now Paper, very soon, I hope, will be available so we can create those applications for Paper and NAO. But let's focus on NAO. And we want to show you an application which is very interesting for primary school. And what I want to know is with NAO and with our application is also to interact with object and with the environment. And probably you have seen NAO Math Teacher, which is an application where NAO is grabbing a pen by himself, taking the pen, writing on the small board, and asking a question about mathematical operations. That was nice, but the user has to say the question. To say the answer, sorry. So we said, okay, that would be nice if we could just write the answer on the board. And so we started this prototype a few weeks ago. And this is what I'm going to start to show you, Thomas, if you want. And this is Thomas, one of my co-workers from Intuitive Robots. And we're going to start it. What's very interesting with this application, and when we presented it to the kids, they were amazed because the kids told me, wow, NAO can recognize my own writing. So we could have used a usual OCR engine, but OCR, they work well only with fonts, you know, with non-human writing. So before starting the demonstration, I am very sorry, this is in French. So I will translate what he's saying. So here he's telling me that, okay, you need just to write what I am asking you to write. And he tells me how to write also. If I'm writing too small, it won't work, obviously. Like us, you know, if you are writing over there, I can see what you are writing over there. So he's asking me if I want to start. Oui, vas-y. Can you...
On va se casser des ménages. À toi d'écrire le résultat de la soustraction de 15 par 12.
Okay, 15 minus 12, right? So I'm not that good at math, so I wrote.
Ah, moi j'ai lu 4, mais je n'ai bien vu le 4.
He read 4. And he tells me that he didn't really read 4 clearly.
À toi d'écrire le résultat de la soustraction de 19 par 10.
19 minus 10. You see, my 9 is not that nice actually.
Oui. Bien joué.
Yeah!
C'est bien 9. Si on compte tes points, tu as une réponse correcte.
I have one good answer out of 2.
Un autre pour
Another
le faire.
one.
Tiens, on va voir si tu vas y arriver.
Okay, just for fun.
À toi d'écrire le résultat de la soustraction de 15 par 13.
Okay, it's another one. And I will do 8. My 8 is not that nice, right? Plus bas.
Moi j'ai lu 0, mais je n'ai pas bien vu le 0.
Which is good. I mean, he read 0. So, okay.
Allez, on va se casser les ménages.
That's not bad. I mean, sometimes he is doing some mistakes, but that's fine. Qu'est-ce qu'il me... What did he say?
11 plus 18.
Combien?
Plus 18.
Ah,
Il va falloir réviser tout ça.
I need to improve my skills in math.
J'ai plutôt l'impression de voir 3, alors que
It's
la
so
bonne réponse
three.
est 29.
And the good answer is
On va
29.
passer pour cette fois. Allez, on continue. Alors comme ça, au hasard.
So another one.
Écris-moi le résultat
I'm gonna
de la
leave
division
3 here.
295 par 15.
Oh,
Fichtre, je vois toujours le même nombre qu'avant.
he's saying the
Tu pourrais
same number
détailler
as
le tableau?
before. Can you erase the board? Yes, now. I can erase the board for you. You are the master.
Impeccable.
Great.
Ça brille.
Now it's clear.
Je disais donc,
Yeah, remember?
écris-moi le résultat de la division 295 par 15.
Easy. C'est combien?
J'ai les yeux qui piquent.
Oh, he has some problem with his eyes. He's tired, he tells me.
Allez, on enchaîne sur autre chose.
Sometimes he doesn't recognize, but
Écris-moi le chiffre 86.
86. Okay.
Mince. Moi j'ai lu 85, mais je n'ai bien pas bien vu le 5.
He read 85 actually.
Bon.
So we are actually, my point is that he's learning. The more we play, the more he learns. And those pictures, there will be can you attends, je vais faire.
On arrête?
Non,
Tu veux faire quoi?
rien. And so he's learning by himself actually. And the more we play, he's going to store all the picture in our engine, and he will process and enhance the model for next time. So
But he stores on now, sir?
no, he stores what he's seeing here.
But what he stores is on his head, or it is reported to the computer?
Oh no! Look, everything is now. Everything is embedded.
So how does he know that's 80?
Yes, that's what I was.
Yeah.
Huh?
So how do you know it's 86? How does the robot know it's 86?
No.
You have a probability that can indicate that you are like 99%, it's a 5, so it's 99%, you can store this value. It's
And we tell him.
less than some percentage, you say, okay, it's a mistake, I don't save it.
But did you use for the vision recognition your own algorithm?
Yes. And in this case, we say, hey, no, I wrote 86. Okay, 86. It's not 5. I put this number on the model as a 6 and not as a 5. So it's a learning-based engine, and we built our own engine based on statistical models and mathematics basically. So and we started from scratch. I mean, we didn't use OCR or whatever. But think about it. Think about application for kids. They just love it to take a pen and to play with NAO, to interact not only by saying something or answering to a question, but physically you can play just by writing and combine with a NAO writer. It's a very nice experience for the kids. So this is a short demo. Maybe if I have just 1 minute, there is another way where I am the teacher, NAO is a student, meaning that I'm going to write something. Hey, NAO, I'm not that good at math. Can you just start it up again? I'm not good at math. Can you help me? What is the sum of 86 plus 1,998, for instance? And he's a teacher, or he's going to help me. Can you?
Tu as besoin de conseils pour étudier avec moi? Ok, qu'est-ce que tu veux faire alors?
Hop, is it okay?
Tu es le professeur maintenant? Très bien, alors comme ça, au hasard.
Vas-y, là, tu peux le faire.
Ouais. Alors. Okay, now, can you tell me what is 1 plus 2? What is the result of 1 plus 2?
To say something.
Oh. Vas-y.
Ok, alors laisse-moi réfléchir.
Oui. So now, you are the teacher, you should be quicker than that.
Oh, there is a big light reflection here.
Ah mince, je n'arrive pas à lire l'équation. Celle-là est trop compliquée pour moi.
Of course, everything
Je m'en
about
prie, mais
vision
dis-moi quand tu es prêt.
has a lot of constraint. Vas-y. And if there is some light, some blur on the board or whatever, it's still quite difficult sometimes to filter the image. So now,
We try another one.
vas-y.
Ok, alors laisse-moi réfléchir.
Okay, think. No.
Bah, je vois encore le même nombre qu'avant. Tu pourrais nettoyer le tableau?
Oh, you want me to erase the board first? Okay. Is it fine for you?
Impeccable.
Ok.
Ça brille.
Okay. It tells me that
Je
it's
disais donc,
clear. Ouais, vas-y.
ok, alors laisse-moi réfléchir.
She's looking at here, so
Ah.
c'est un petit peu trop haut, quoi.
Hop. Ah.
J'ai
thank
les
you.
yeux qui piquent. Mes circuits sont fatigués. Allez, on enchaîne sur autre chose. Je vais réessayer.
So,
Alors, à mon avis, 2 plus 5 égale 7, c'est ça?
oui, oui, oui. So it's a beta, you know. We didn't want to do this presentation this weekend, but anyway.
Trop balèze.
So it works,
Je veux
but
bien en faire une autre.
another one. Up. Look, my 6 is not that nice. Should work. Oh, vas-y. Vas-y.
Ok, voyons voir.
It's quite slow.
Comme ça, de tête, 5 plus 5 égale 10,
Ah.
c'est ça?
He made a mistake. And then you have to say, he told me 5 plus 5. No, it's 6 plus 5. And this number will be stored in this database. And next time it will improve the model. Anyway,
On arrête? Tu veux faire quoi?
bye bye. Maybe I took too much time. I'm very sorry. But it's a demonstration of an application for kids and based on vision and learning and AI. So this is a beta and pretty soon it will be released. So you'll probably be able to get it in a few weeks.
Did you use OpenCV?
We use OpenCV to get the image to apply the first filtering. And we created our own filtering too, but we use Gaussian and all this stuff and contours and so on. But it's not the problem is not about acquisition and filtering about the image. It's more about the learning, about the shape and how to really tell him that this one is a 6 and not a 5.
How far can you develop in terms of
It's an issue too because with the camera, you know, we are in 320 by 200, so we have to be quite close. If we switch to HD, for sure the process will take much more time, so it will be slower but more accurate, definitely.
Do you use a neural network or something?
No, we didn't use a neural network. We want to try it. We use basically scalar vector machines.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know if you know. So, but we built our engine on a scalar vector machine, which is a mathematical library for statistical stuff and so on.
You mean support vector machine?
Support
Sorry,
vector machine.
support vector machine. Yeah.
You're running speech recognition the whole time.
We use dialogues in this application. It uses speech recognition all the time. We use the dialogues and the animated speech and so on. This is a beta. There is no that much dialogue for now, but in the future we'll have a lot of dialogues and interactions.
You don't find that quite processor intensive to be running speech recognition? Or
No, here you have the speech recognition in real time, you have the image analysis in real time and our engine in real time, and we do like 8 frames per second, which is acceptable as a semi-real time application.